Hello everyone, here's Avita again. Welcome back to my channel. These are the 3 Christmas trees that I made 2 years ago from the cones that I gathered from the garden, from the oriental spruce and the sequoia. And I just restored them a while ago, and I will also be using them to decorate the terrace this year. Today's vlog is about a Christmas wreath that I made from all the materials that I already have from my box and some greeneries that I cut off from the garden. So if you'd like, please join me and enjoy the video. And I hope to see you again next time. I am trying to finish up my wreath using just what I have in my box and all the decorations I keep collecting every year, and it actually looks good already. It just needs some foliage from the garden, from the sequoia, from the cypress, from the holly, but it's raining again right now, so I have to wait until I can go out and cut some, and then hopefully I will be done with the wreath. So I just used up whatever I have, some ribbons from last year or years ago. I don't know, that I keep collecting in white. I'd like to keep it simple this year, not too many colors. Just some greens and whites and some cones. I still would like to collect some sequoia pine cones, the very small ones. And then I hope I can hang it in front of the door today. I actually thought today is the first Advent, and I was so much in a hurry, but I checked the calendar again. It is not. So it will be next weekend, Sunday next week. The 3rd of December is the first Advent. So I'm glad that I made a mistake. So I still have 1 week to bake some cookies and finish everything for my terrace. So yeah, I'll show you the next step, finishing up my wreath here after I gather some foliage when it stops raining. So I was able to cut some oriental spruce foliage, some branches from the American dogwood, and some holly foliage. So I'll try to finish my wreath, and hopefully I can hang it today. So I am using this pins, or I don't know how you call them, to just position the foliage, because it's easier to take them out after the season, Christmas season, and I can just store the wreath in the attic without the fresh foliage, and next year I can use them again just to decorate them with some fresh foliage, and maybe add some colors to it depending on what I'd like to do next year.